countries in Asia or in American countries. This is like advantage. This is of the advantage of the technology that we can use, yeah, in these days. And of course, I do believe every single human here that we are going to use it daily. So yeah, we having nice with chats by using social media, right? Yeah, we cannot deny it. Oh, I'm not really good at social media or technology. Oh, come on. Even though, children can use it nowadays. That's it. And this is advantage of the social media by using technology. And I think is and the third one, the advantage of the social media. Now you can publish, you can publish your idea or your opinion by using the social media. You shouldn't have to write in the newspaper. Yeah, you shouldn't have to send it to the newspaper or the how to say formal